wanna feel it out. You got me shaking up and moving around. From the birches to the blacktop, we want it all, we want it all. From the first sip to the last drop, we want it all, we want it all. Give me all of it. Don't stop, don't quit. No, 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 not a little bit. Give me all of it. Give me all of it. I'm gonna turn it on and then I'll shut it down. I wanna stay in and I wanna go out. From the full moon to the fierce sun, I want it all, I want it all.
Stoked for an awesome winter camping adventure. Lots of snow in the forecast tonight. Did I already say I'm stoked? I'm stoked. Let's check it out. So we're currently on South Otter Lake and we're headed to Doe. So just a really short 341 meter. Ooh, some good uphill. Wah. Made it to Doe Lake. Oh. Oh yeah, that worked, Chris. Wow. It's beautiful out here. Last time I was solo camping was actually a winter camping trip as well, although completely unintended. And I remember the week before I went, I was in Toronto filming for a client, and it was like 22 degrees Celsius. I thought, oh yeah, my camping trip next week is gonna be really warm. And this is in May. And lo and behold, day 5 of my solo trip, after 2 lightning and thunderstorms, I made it all the way from Canoe Lake up to Sunbeam Lake. And on day 4 of the trip, it just snowed on me, just completely dumped on me, and came pretty close to freezing because all I had was essentially like a summer sleeping bag. And yeah, the weather can change so quickly out here, so yeah. But you know, makes things interesting. Wow. The expanse out here is incredible. So, I believe this is it. You can see got our campsite marker. Alright, tent is done. Time for dinner. So for fire making, I've got my little stuff, slightly larger stuff, mid, medium, and odds and sods. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there are wolves howling off in the... Oh, they're there. Ooh. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but there are wolves howling off in the distance. Ooh. Wow. That's wild. Tonight's meal is steak, and we're going to season that steak with some wonderful Montreal steak spice. Oh dear. By the way, quick tip for these potatoes is you microwave them at home a little bit just so that they cook through. And then over the fire, all you have to do is more or less reheat them. Wish you guys could get a better sense of how calm and peaceful it is out here. It's just unbelievably quiet. Apart from the wolves, of course. So the freezing rain has started this morning, but I gotta say, the Lumix G9 has been handling it really, really well. I think it's just coated. Wow. Packed up and headed straight across the lake to about there. Still freezing rain, but having a blast. I mean, all this sort of stuff builds character. I wonder what Julie's doing right now.
I don't read Cosmo.
And speaking of character building, wouldn't be a good portage without a good hill. Couldn't forget you.
Well, your mind wanders and your thoughts run wild, but I will walk beside you every mile. It ain't easy, but it's all worthwhile. I do it time again to see you smile.
Well everyone, almost back at the car, so I think I'm going to call it here, but wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I had an absolute blast, and it's always fun to come out winter camping and experience something a little different, so yeah, so glad I came. Relaxing. Again, this is up here in Frontenac Park, and they have so many beautiful lakes up here, so highly recommend checking out Frontenac Park, and yeah, in the meantime, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.